Watch. For the world, it's not a plan. You know a franchise, you're choosing one. The 10-star general. And you don't know in time I come, you know I'm not deal with lollipop thing, right? First, more respect, I gotta say. Respect to all the bloggers them who come on YouTube. And when them do them thing, people satisfied with the art them or the youth them create and satisfied with the way the youth them do them thing. You hear that? Big up Video Link, Jamaica. You hear me? And big up Ear to Boss. I big up CMR. You know what I mean? I big up the youth them who do the thing out there in the street. But you see that look at you who come on YouTube yesterday. I not even know his name, because I not even study him like that. My brother, you can't come on national, international YouTube and come and spread them type of rumor there, you know, dog. Because you have to know, sir, me are the choosing one, you know. Say if Ninja Man is dead, you know, you don't know that it have been ripped off by me, you know. You know what I mean? And my name franchise the choosing one, the 10-star general, and a lollipop thing. So I don't know why you come on YouTube and come with your fucker and spread false rumor about your ear say. If your ear say, you know if you come say nothing. You have to know say when you come on YouTube. You hear that? So the next time when you want to blog about something, you do your research, my brother. You hear me say that? Because that way you do a big violation, you violate the whole of the international world. That's where I deal with. I spread no rumor upon the gargan, my brother. No wish death for nobody, dog. You hear me? Watch at the general 10-star. Yo, I may say to the Gaza people them, yo, you don't like that song there? Eh? How? Bumbleclad. More than I wonder if I'm self my question, how him do it. You know what I mean? Or people bad mind him. I know enough people supposed to confuse by that song there. You don't know what I mean when they say how? Eh? How the fuck me in a blood clot prison? I don't know bad mind me. Because of me I run because my music I run the street. I'm not on a visa. I'm not on a freedom. I'm there in a prison. I'm still a bad mind. Me. Yo, you should have shame on a bumbleclad self. You know what I mean? You should have shame on yourself. Or some look man where rare. And people are say, yeah, rare. Man now pass out world boss and this and that and all kind of stupid shit. But man I bring. You should have shame on a blood clot self. I shame the man I shame on, you know. And no one ever understand. I tell you already. So the man mega force them and not normal. The man mega force them is like a brand new thing. One can't believe it. And that's why none of them not try because the dust can't do it. Watch. The man say how? How the fuck him in a prison? How not bad mind him? That wicked no blood clot. Oh man in a prison and not bad mind him. We not bad mind him because of him a blood clot run straight from prison. And him not no freedom and him not no visa. And some local man where I chat up them out, them have them freedom and them have them visa. You believe that? Them have them freedom and them have them visa. Them not popular like world boss and the people them not eager for them like the world boss. You can imagine if the people them see the man right now, dog. Because all you see some man in and show off, you know, and hype up themselves, you know. A man a run go buy some big vehicle and hype up and thing, you know. My brother, when the teacher come on road, you know, my brother, if you don't have 100,000 US, you know, call teacher name, you know, I can bet you that, you know. Because blood clot, billboard artists you call for work, you know. You have to have money, you know. Just like when you want to jake them. So in no time, I know I'm going to buy a private jet and put gas up and write gas up on it. I know that. You know the teacher go buy him private jet and buy Gaza Nation on that bumbo clad. Watch. Watch, you think a joke. Watch what go on. If you don't have more than 100,000 US or 100,000, you call them man there for bookings when them man there drop a road. A wicked thing I go on, I think a joke thing or a lollipop thing. And watch what go on. The man want to know how. Him in a prison. No visa, can't travel, go nowhere. Behind the bars. A man still a bad mind him because I'm a done straight. Pussy clot. Watch. Watch. At the general, the 10 star one I represent to the answer to the fullest. Watch.